an inch down. That's good. Oh, baby. How y'all doing? Let me turn this around. Okay, let's see. Let's put this down. See if I could put it right here so I can see. All right, guys. Hey, YouTube. How y'all doing? I'm doing my little old lady things. Let me see if I can do it with this. Okay. This is a new screwdriver. But, hey. I know this channel be everywhere, but it is what it is, y'all. That's my life. I might have to turn. Oh, baby. Welcome to the live chat. Remember to guard your privacy. Let me put my glasses on. All right. I'm going to put 2 seeds in each hole. That's the tip. Does anybody else put 2 seeds in each hole? Are the comments on? I've been making plans. Is it crooked? This tomatoes. I thought I had a few kinds of tomatoes, but I could only find these. I don't know if I lost some when I moved. A seed grown is a seed sown. Let's go. I've been It's crazy how oh man. Hmm. I'm looking forward to this season of growing. My second time growing.